everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we're going to do a little something different. I'm going to be like all my barbecue buddies on the YouTube channels, and I'm going to smoke a rack of baby back ribs. Alright, now I'm going to do a different kind of marinade than probably most people do. I go back to when I was a kid, and we had a drawer that we like to call the packet drawer. And that packet drawer had ketchup, mustard, soy sauce, whatever takeout you had, it went in there, you know, if there was leftover packets. So I raided our packet drawer. I don't know why I have a hard time speaking. And I found me some soy sauce and a little chili sauce. I'm thinking it's probably like sriracha, and the soy sauce is just normal soy sauce. So I'm gonna use a little of this bone sucking sauce steak seasoning and rub to rub the outside, and then I'm gonna marinate it in this this chili sauce and this soy sauce, and then I have a little black pepper marinade that I'm gonna put in there too, and then on the end I'll finish it up with some honey, just kind of get a little glaze on it. So all you guys, the barbecue guys watching me doing this stuff, comment down below if I'm doing it right, if I'm doing it wrong. I'll put it on my gas grill. I'm going to use the smoker boxes again with that Jack Daniels wood chips from the Jack Daniels barrels. I just thought it added a great flavor to it. So that's it. Come on back. I'll show you how we get this thing rubbed down and marinated, and then we'll get onto the grill. Come on back. Alright guys, here's the final product. It's got a lot of flavor on there. That's what happens when you think you got indirect, but you went direct. Alright, come on back and show you how we got this thing going. Alright, here's the ingredients for this bad boy. Got a nice big old rack of baby back ribs. Got our bone sucking sauce. I just love the name. And it's actually good, tasty. Got Red Bull. That's not in the, never mind. Got a little honey, a little black pepper marinade. And of course, for my packet drawer, because everybody got a packet drawer, we got soy sauce and a little chili paste. Chili sauce? Good stuff. Alright, come on back and we'll put this marinade together. Alright guys, we got the rack of baby back ribs. I can tell this is going to be a challenging video where I cannot speak through it. I pulled off the back membrane. Again, you barbecue guys, I've seen you guys do it. You let me know if you like it or not, but I hear it does good things. But I've also heard leaving it on keeps it moist, so I have no idea. So again, comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll just put a little of this rub on the back here, you know, because both sides need to be seasoned, but I'm more worried about on the top. Getting the outside of the rib. I'm going to flip this bad boy over. Alright, and then liberal over the top. I swear I'm going to get so many comments from you guys in the groups. You're doing this wrong, you're doing that wrong. Alright. Alright, so let's get a pat this in. Alright. Come on back. I'm going to add our packet marinade to it, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to add our packet marinade to this. So we just got our soy sauce that I'm going to rub in on this. I've already opened them up a little bit so they come out a little easier. I'm going to rub this down with the marinade, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge for a couple hours. Alright. No, this does not look good. Guys, we are just attempting this. Ew. So, I'm going to add my black pepper marinade to it too. So there's going to be a little bit of spice in this. Ah, there you go. Ew. I don't know how you guys like getting in there with your meat, but this is going to be a meaty, tasty mess. Alright guys, we're going to clean up this mess, and then we're going to let it sit for a couple hours in the fridge. Come on back, and we'll get this on the smoker, or the grill, whatever. Alright, we got the ribs, we got our quote-unquote smoker. Doesn't quite look like it's smoking just yet. I see some smoke. You see some smoke? We're going with 2 boxes. We want this smoky. Smoky! Alright, let's throw these grill. I'm going to turn down the front. We're going to do indirect heat on this. We're going to get these bad boys on. These have come up to room temp. Hear the sizzle. Alright. Look at that. Oh yeah. Charlie the dog knows what's up. Good talk. Alright guys, we're back on the smoker. Alright, both boxes are in effect. It smells so good. Alright, so I'm going to flip this. Been about a half hour on one side. It's alright, we got a little color there. Looking good. Got a half hour on one side, going to do another half hour on this side. Then flip it one more time and then we'll get it into the oven. Alright, good stuff. Come on. Alright y'all, sorry for the poor lighting, but you get the gist of it. These things have been on about an hour with the smoker boxes. This one's still going good. This one's about spent. So we're going to go ahead. My timing of things was not very good today. So we're going to go ahead and finish these up in the oven. You know, I got a little crispy on this side, but that's alright. That's just flavor. But it don't look half bad if I don't say so myself. So we'll get these in the oven for about an hour. And they should be come out probably to what I'm looking for. Alright, and all you barbecue guys, don't give me no crap in the comments. I'm doing the best I can with what I got. Alright guys, we're back. We got this straight out of the oven. We're going to do this real quick. Like I said, the timing on it didn't quite work out the way I wanted. But we got it on the grill. We got some heat. We did kind of indirect, but some of it got direct, so it's a little burned. I like to call it flavor. So I'm going to go in on it. This looks like a good spot right here. And try to find the spot in between. Again, try to find the spot in between. Oh, there goes the thumbnail. Oh well. Alright. Looks pretty good. This well, don't look too bad right here. Got a little of the smoke ring, not a whole lot, but a little bit. Alright, we'll come on back for the taste test. Alright guys, we're back. I haven't chopped this up just yet, but we got our first rib off there. It's a little warm still, but I'm going to give it a shot. Got a nice smoke ring. Did alright with that. Not bad for my first go. Not bad. My packaged marinade, not the best. Not a winner per se, but in a pinch, we'll probably do the trick. Alright, well that's it. I think I need to stick to cooking and not so much the barbecuing. Can't win them all. Alright guys, no whiskey and cigar tonight. School night, gotta get ready for bed. Thank you for stopping by today. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.